Vishesh, as the name speaks for itself, means someone special, and this percussionist who showcases his talent with enthralling music, matching it beat for beat, is indeed very special. Talented Vishesh's love for music got noticed at the tender age of 3, and since then there has been no looking back for him.
I started at the age of 3, I think so. What my parents tell me, that at the age of 3 I started my these things. What I started with some cans at home, that were some biscuit cans and these things, some glasses, plates, spoons. I started with this, but after that, at the age of 4 or 5, since I was playing at home, my father, he got into this. He actually recognized it. I should go into this music line. Basically, I learned tabla first. That was my first instrument I learned, and then I did my BA into it. Then I did my masters, and now I am pursuing my PhD into instrumental tabla. And then afterwards, I came into taking many instruments that were like from all over the country, because I was too fond of collecting instruments. People are collecting, very fond of collecting coins and different things at places. Some collect stamps, some collect coins, but I was very fond of collecting instruments from all over the country. So this is a thing that made me travel to some places in India, out of India. So I took some instruments that were very expensive also, but like my parents' support and my family support gave it to me, and so I'm here in front of you.
Judgment of talent at the right age is the first step to success. Vishesh's parents identified his talent at an early age and are happy with the way he is doing. Vishesh now can play 13 instruments, and his mother is delighted to express that.
He was very young, very small, 2.5 years perhaps. तो अपने बर्तन वगैरह बजाता था, बर्तन हो गए, बिस्किट के डिब्बे हो गए, उनको बजाता था. तो इसके पापा ने बोला शायद इसमें कुछ टैलेंट है, तो हमें इसको प्रमोट करना चाहिए. फिर हमने इसके लिए गुरुजी रखे, वो घर में आके सिखाते थे इसको. And now he is working as a percussionist. He plays 13 instruments.
His never-ending thirst for music won him many accolades all over. He has won many state and national level awards. He is a certified DJ by the government and wants to achieve more.
इसने बचपन से अचीव किया है. सबसे पहली चीज है प्यार, जो सबसे मिला इसे. सेकंड है रास्ता, जो इसे दिखाया गया. एकेडमिकली इसने बीए किया है. माता जयकुर का ये स्टूडेंट रहा है. इसने मास्टर किया है म्यूजिक में. इसके गुरु बहुत अच्छे इसको मिले, जिन्होंने इसे टैलेंट दिया. बहुत सारे अवार्ड इसने जीते हैं टाइम टू टाइम, डिफरेंट परफॉर्मेंस में.
When I sang my first song, that was Vande Mataram, and I got the first prize for it. And I played my Casio with my song. I got the first prize, that was for singing. Then after that, I got, I must say, hundreds of awards in my school, and I was representing my school all over the Delhi. I was the only player in my school who started at a very small age, and I myself government approved certified DJ. There are only 7 DJs in whole India who are certified as a government DJ, and I.
His father is elated and says that his name completely justifies him.
As a kid, ये मैं यही कह पाऊंगा, he is not a kid nowadays. He is a very good youngster, a very smiling, admirable, personality based person. जो लोग विशेष को जानते हैं, वो ये जरूर जानते हैं कि विशेष में कुछ विशेष तो जरूर है.
Nothing is more special in this world than sharing a good bond with your sibling. Vishesh is close to his elder brother and looks up to him for everything. His brother is like a father figure to him, as he treats Vishesh as his own kid and is really attached to him.
He was like 3 years younger to me, so I've seen him play things, I've seen him bang the balls, I've seen him bang the Almiras and everything. And I've always been studious myself. I never wanted him to get into studies. So that's the only way that I've always stopped my parents and argued with them, fought with them let's not get into studies and make him and pursue in what he likes. So I used to feel a little annoyed when I used to have my exams and then he used to play. But then the only thing that could keep me awake was the fact that he could beat the drums at the right moment. I guess he is what he is, and he is what he is because of himself and because of nobody else, believe me.
It is very important to have a good character with good talent. Vishesh is blessed with both. His thirst for knowledge and his nature has made him a hero in his father's eye, and according to his father, Vishesh is an institution in himself.
कैरेक्टर वाइज मैं ये जान सकता हूँ, ये कह सकता हूँ कि ये बच्चा शुरू में जब रोता था तो मुझे लगता था शायद वो भी रिदम में ही रो रहा है. अब जब ये हंसता है तो तब भी लगता है कि यार ये रिदम में ही हंसता है. इसके कैरेक्टर टाइम टू टाइम बदलते जरूर चले गए, बट बेस वही रहा जो बचपन का था कि ये रोता है रिदम में था, ये हंसता रिदम में है, ये बजाता रिदम के लिए, और ये बहुत अच्छा एक रिदम है. ये अपने आप में एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, ये अपने आप में एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है.
Success is a blend of inspiration, talent and hard work. Vishesh has found his inspiration in his gurus from whom he has learned and is still learning music. Like a good musician, he believes that one has to look up to the maestros in order to make it big. He at the same time also thinks that there is no age of learning music and one always keeps on learning something or the other.
To be frank, my inspirations were my gurus. Basically, from my childhood, I used to look up to my gurus for my inspiration, because at that time you don't know who are the maestros in this field. When I came in 10th, 11th, I used to know about what percussion is, what percussion music is, what world music is, what genres of music I can do, what I can play. So I used to look up to Talvind Singh, Shiv Mani ji, then Kash Kale. These are the people I always looked up to reach that place. And then there's a person called Pete Lockett. He's a very nice percussionist. So these kind of people I used to learn from, and still I'm learning, because my gurus were too much into it. They always pushed me to meet them, because my guru Ustad Shafat Ahmed Khan was himself a very, very big maestro in this field. So he helped me with it. Then my gurus were Ustad Radhesham Sharma ji. Then my gurus were Ustad Idris Khan. So my gurus to like tell me ki still I am learning, because what music is, it's like an ocean and you need to explore every bit of it. Because music is now in everybody's blood, because what music is now was not in 70s. Because there was not access to computers, there was not access to USBs, there was not access to your CD players, there was no access to our TVs. So what music is today is all because of this advancement in music. And
A painter paints pictures on canvas, but musicians paint their pictures through instruments. Music changes a person completely. It teaches a person to express his emotions. After being into music, Vishesh has learned to be more patient and has learned to express himself.
music has changed me drastically, because I was too impatient earlier. I was very impatient at my past ages, and when I used to sit, I can't sit anywhere, but now I am getting, because now enhancement of my emotions is what I've got from music. First, at the age of 3 or 4, you can't express everything very easily. You have to keep some things in your heart, you don't speak to anyone. But now what I believe is that I have a lot of emotions now. I have thousands of emotions in my mind, which I can express very easily to anyone. That is very good, because this is only happens when you enter music, because music is joining of emotions into one.
A supportive family does wonders to one's confidence and morale, especially in trying times. Vishesh believes that one should keep moving even if it is at a low pace because it is always better than remaining still. For Vishesh, his father has been a pillar of strength.
My driving force, I must say, is my papa, basically, because a push of his made me at this place, what I am today. However, you should never give up. You should never stand still. You should always start walking slow, so that it gives you a pace in life. It gives you a push in life, so that you reach a place which is like a stardom for you.
Humility defines success. It is the grounded attitude that keeps one going, and Vishesh's teachers like the fact that he is humble. Mr. Marwa, director of AAFT, is sure of the fact that when Vishesh reaches the top, he will make everyone proud.
I think Vishesh is a wonderful person. He's very humble, he's down to earth, and I think he's very traditional, very Indian, and I'm sure that when he's going to be very popular all over the world, the whole country will be proud of him.
Exposure helps a person to improve and grow. Taking the exposure in the right way and learning from it requires a great deal of positivity. Mr. Marwa feels that Vishesh has definitely grown over the past 1 year and would like to help him getting more exposure by making shows for him.
And his 1 year total exposure to the film, television, media, or I can say to the stage world, I think he's grown quite a lot. And the time has come that when he should be given a due importance, his caliber, his art should be given a wonderful exposure, a national and an international stage, so that people should know what exactly he can do it. And I think, I don't think so I'm going out of way to do something for him if I am going to make a 20-episode program on him on my radio station. I think I will not be doing extraordinary if I'm going to organize a separate, exclusive solo show for him in Marwa Studios. And I would love to give him a wonderful context where he can grow from here to an extent.
Vishesh has always been making his close ones proud of his talent. His friend and DJ Jitesh is happy the way he has taken the opportunities given to him and applauds the success he has achieved at this young age.
I first met him in 2006, I guess, and he was already a very good percussionist, and we worked together. He learned like DJing from Spin Gurus, and music production came thing. Now and so far we have done like many shows together, Delhi, out of Delhi, and fabulous response from the fans, from the crowd. Because many people, many bands, Indian bands, international bands, they were trying out this thing, you know, fusion, Indian East meets West, and Indian percussions with West drums, this and that. So the idea was there, so we just tried it out and it worked very well. I have never seen such a good percussionist like him. He's such a wonderful guy, and moreover he's not, like he's too young actually, he's about 22, 23 I guess, so hats off. We have done like couple of shows together in starting like 3 or 4 years back, then some shows in Delhi, some shows out of Delhi, some, you know, he has done also some international shows, not with me, but yeah, he's doing good. And future of Vishesh, like in this field, I must say that he's doing fabulous, and I wish him very all the best.
It is always said that the great high privilege, relief and comfort of friendship is felt when one has to explain nothing. This is true in Vishesh's case. His friends love him for the person he is. He is always out there to support them when needed and is truly a good friend. He is a fighter and loves to take on the challenges that life brings along and always emerges out as a winner.
Vishesh has a very vibrant personality and that reflects everywhere. Even as a struggler, he has confidence in himself and he places faith in everything he does. He is ready to sacrifice, to struggle, but he knows where he wants to be.
And I think he's a very passionate kind of guy, and he's like, he loves whatever he does. He's very talented, and I was just talking about him, how he could portray this abroad, how he loves to play Indian instruments, and this Indian passion and love for India he portrays in music. So he plays instruments from Punjabi to South Indian. So that makes him a very complete musician that can be anywhere in the world, giving the best performances. So
A good percussionist, a great friend and a good student, Vishesh has always made people around him proud. He has always been a good student, learning the projects the way teachers teach him, and has always been a dedicated pupil. His teachers adore him and are always there to support him.
सपोर्ट में ये है कि वो मेरे सभी स्टूडेंट्स की तरह वो मेरे को बहुत प्यारा है. आज तक मैं इससे अभी भी कई बार कांटेक्ट करके इससे बात करता रहता हूँ. आगे इसके कोई शोज़ वगैरह होते हैं तो शोज़ में वहाँ पर पहुँचने की कोशिश करता हूँ. वो मुझसे हमेशा फ़ोन पे, मेल पे हमेशा साथ में ही रहता है. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि विशेष मुझसे कभी अलग रहा. विशेष हमेशा विशेष ही रहा. मेरी सारी दुआएं एक तरह से विशेष के साथ ही हैं, और वो आगे बढ़ना चाहे तो मैं उसे पूरा सपोर्ट करूंगा. अगर किसी भी फील्ड में उसे बढ़ना है, एडिटिंग, साउंड, म्यूजिक से रिलेटेड कुछ भी वो करना चाहता है तो मैं उसके साथ हमेशा साथ रहूँ. शूटिंग से भी रिलेटेड भी रहा है तो भी मैं उसके साथ रहूँ. डायरेक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर उसने कभी कुछ मुझसे चाहा तो वो भी मैंने उसको दिया. मैं विशेष को अपने सभी स्टूडेंट्स की तरह बहुत प्यार देता हूँ.
I know Vishesh since last few months. I didn't actually know him too much about like whether he's related to music or he doesn't know. I got to see something, some of his events on YouTube, and he was like really fresh as compared to other musicians. It really seemed as if this guy is really hardworking. He has done something in music, and like for me to see somebody playing in electric tabla, that was really amazing. I haven't seen anybody actually do that kind of stuff before. So that was something which I was amused to see. But since I have known him, he's got a good personality, doesn't care about himself too much. He's not full of himself. He knows he has got talent, and I don't know, like most of the people who do have talent, they have a big problem actually. They think too much of themselves most of the time, but he doesn't have that kind of attitude. So that is something like which adds on to his personality.
To achieve great heights in life and be successful, one has to have the love, care and support of one's family. For kids, love is spelled as time and support. Vishesh is lucky to have found that love and care and appreciates the blessings of his parents. He thanks his family for the unconditional faith and love they have conferred upon him.
I think family has supported me a lot from childhood till this time, because without this support, I think I would be into a different field. That is something I would be doing some MBA or like some academic thing that I really hate to do. A tree also takes times to like give some fruits. So this was the case with me. My parents did this thing with me, and now I think me and my family is taking the fruits that are, I think, very sweet. My brother is like my second father, actually, what I must say, because the thing is that some things which I can't share with my father actually because of his, not because he's very strict, but he's very sweet, but he doesn't shows it to everyone, but he's very busy into his schedules and all, so I really can't go to him. So at this time I go to my brother and just say him for the things that I need. At my school he supported me in every bit of mine. He used to do my homework at my place when I used to do shows. He used to help me with the homework. because we were having the same handwriting. That was a plus point for us. Like in music, he used to go with me on the musical shops, and he used to tell me, you take this, or you play music like this, or you make this kind of song that is very demanding. Because
I've supported him in the best possible way. I'm always by his side. He needs money, he comes to me. So I've supported him that way. He needs money for petrol, I give him. I never ask what he wants. I've supported him monetary as well, but more on the psychological or the physiological ground, I would say, yes, I support him. And that is what he wants, because at the end of the day, when one person stands behind you, that means the world to that person. So I am that world for him, and I'll always be.
Talent wins games, but teamwork and support of the loved ones is equally important in winning championships. With this kind of support and hard work, Vishesh hopes to make it big in the music industry. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Vishesh is clear about his future in percussions and has already started working towards it. He wants to teach a child free of cost and also wants to be a music director. Music is a part of his life and will always be.
what I believe is that I took birth as a musician and will die as a musician. And this is a thing that I'm speaking at a very small age, but that is what I will do, because I can't live without music, and that is my aim. But if got chance, I would like to be a music director. That is my aim, and want to give background scores and music in many of the films. And then one more dream I'm having is to make one child learn free of cost till my age, till my 80 or 90. I would try to make learn one child who is very keen into percussion, to whom I would give everything of mine, my percussion things, my things and all. I would give it to him, and then let's see what happens with him.
Blessings give us confidence and the push to attain greater heights. Vishesh is blessed to have blessings and wishes of loved ones in his life who constantly motivate him to do better.
Listen to anybody else, just follow your heart and do what you want to. I'm always there to support you. God is with you, and believe me, you will do something great in life, for sure.
His friends and teachers wish him good luck for his future, and they want him to be at his successful best.
I wish Vishesh hones up his skills a bit, and I wish him luck for his future. He knows where he wants to be, and he knows how to trace his path to reach success. And I wish him good luck for all his future endeavors.
I wish all the best to him, and I wish he, should get success in future. And I wish he shouldn't actually have any kind of struggle in his life.
Well, I wish him the best in his life, and I'm waiting for that one day when he's standing on the stage where he's getting the Filmfare Award. That day I'm just waiting to see. That is my wishes from inside.
With such great talent, hard work and blessings, the team of IU Living India TV wishes Vishesh all the success and glory for all his future endeavors.